Deep in the wild, a story of abandonment. What you're about to see is not a tale of decay. It is a testament to the power hidden within. A secret is about to be unearthed. A forgotten machine, and the one person who refused to let it die. The journey to resurrect it will leave you astonished. Against the weight of the wilderness, her will is tested. Every muscle strains, every effort a prayer against the impossible. Where brute force fails, ingenuity finds a way. An intricate dance of mechanics begins. With found tools and sheer determination, she begins to tip the scales. A small victory, a glimmer of hope in the quiet forest. Soon, the solitary struggle draws a helping hand. In this world, no one fights their battles alone. Together, they pit their strength against the stubborn earth. A unified effort to reclaim what was lost. Modern muscle arrives, a welcome ally. The final pull, freeing the machine from its earthy prison. But the journey is far from over. The long trek home begins, a slow crawl from the wild. The scars of its entrapment are a reminder of the battle won. The path ahead is treacherous, demanding skill and patience. Inch by inch, progress is painstakingly earned. As darkness falls, the mission enters a new, dangerous phase. Guided only by a single beam of light, the driver pushes onward. Through the deep night, the slow, steady journey continues. At last, the first light of dawn brings relief. They have reached the edge of civilization. The machine is safe. A moment of rest after a long night's work. The rescue was only the beginning. Now, the true transformation begins. Peeling back the layers of time and neglect. She dives deep into the heart of the engine. Every component is meticulously cleaned, a baptism for the old steel. Slowly, carefully, the pieces are brought back together. This is more than repair, it is an act of resurrection. Each part is treated with reverence and care. A puzzle of metal and memory, being solved one piece at a time. The final connections are made, securing the engine's new life. The silence is broken, a roar of triumph signals her success. The machine's breath, the carburetor, is given special attention. Beside the silent hulk of the car, she prepares for the delicate operation. A surgeon's precision is required for these intricate parts. Each screw and spring holds a secret to the engine's soul. The work shifts from the bench to the engine bay. The restored heart is carefully transplanted back into the machine. Vital lines are connected, pathways for fuel and life. each connection tightened with practiced confidence. Now, attention turns to the spark of life itself. The old spark plugs are removed, inspected, and cleansed. They are returned to their homes, ready to ignite the fire within. The final adjustments are made with a steady hand. The engine is thirsty, it receives the fluids it needs to run. A final look, a moment of pride in her meticulous work, polishing away the last remnants of its former decay. Every detail is secured, nothing is left to chance. The battery, the source of power, is brought forth. The dirt and grease of honest labor are washed away. The work is done, the machine stands transformed, ready for a new purpose. In this land, the struggle is constant, a farmer's lifeline is trapped. For another woman, in another field, the fight is the same. Her trusted tractor, swallowed by the mud, is her priority. Word travels fast, help is on the way. A smaller, nimbler machine arrives to assist its fallen comrade. Once again, community strength proves essential. Slowly, the tractor is pulled from the mud's grip. It crosses a stream, a baptism on its way to recovery. The two machines travel together, a picture of mutual support. They reach the path home, the ordeal finally over. Now begins the familiar ritual of cleansing and care. Washing away the mud reveals the machine beneath. Every inch is carefully attended to. The complex mechanics are exposed, ready for inspection. She traces the electrical pathways, searching for damage. A skilled hand makes the necessary adjustments. The heart of the machine, the battery, is replaced. More intricate repairs are undertaken with focus. She examines the engine, listening for its secrets. Her connection to the machine is profound. It is a partnership built on trust and understanding. The engine's story is written in grease and rust. She reads it with a practiced eye, knowing what must be done. Her hands, though stained, move with a gentle confidence. The old parts are carefully coaxed free. The methodical process of renewal continues. In a simple basin, the components are reborn. Each piece scrubbed clean, ready for a new chapter. The clean parts are laid out, an inventory of hope. The careful work of purification is almost complete. Now, the reassembly, a meticulous and precise operation. The restored component is returned to its place in the engine. The machine begins to look whole again. The complex system is carefully pieced back together. A final check ensures everything is in perfect order. The heavy wheel is muscled back into place. But the land presents yet another challenge, a sudden slip. The newly repaired tractor is now trapped. Undeterred, the community rallies once more. Another woman wades into the fray, unwilling to accept defeat.